1882, New York City. At age 24, Theodore Roosevelt publishes his first book, The Naval War of 1812. It covers technologies and battles of the war. This book, as well as Roosevelt himself, has a massive impact on the formation of the modern American Navy. After several political and business endeavors, Roosevelt is appointed as Assistant Secretary of the Navy. Following the sinking of the battleship Maine in 1898, he serves as acting secretary when he instructs Commodore George Dewey to mobilize the Navy for war with Spain. When the Spanish-American War breaks out, Roosevelt leaves Washington and commands the 1st U.S. Volunteer Cavalry, better known as the Rough Riders. After leading an invasion near Santiago, Cuba, they return to the States as heroes. For this action, Roosevelt is posthumously awarded the Medal of Honor. In September 1901, he is sworn in as president after the assassination of William McKinley. Believing in its critical role to our nation, President Roosevelt strives to transform the Navy into a highly capable force that will turn the United States into a great power. The battleships built under his leadership are larger, faster, better armed, and always maintained on a near-war footing. His influence culminates with the cruise of the Great White Fleet, which includes 16 modern battleships of the Atlantic Fleet that sail around the world between December 1907 and February 1909. This exposition sends a clear signal that our nation has a global reach and an ambitious foreign policy. President Roosevelt is credited as being the most influential leader in the creation of the modern U.S. Navy. Numerous monuments and establishments are named in his honor, as well as a submarine and aircraft carrier.